Hey guys, why does it happen whenever you go to any website? Then email is necessary, and when you give your email, they start advertising for no reason, and your Gmail look like this. Not only do they advertise their product and services, but also they charge hidden paywalls. And the worst thing is that you store your valuable data on their site. And then billing a client should feel like a compromise your time and privacy. That's exactly why I built Instant Invoice. Here's the preview. I will show you its full function later on this video. What are the problem with other invoice generator tool? The problem is legacy software requires long account setup, email verification and intrusive credit card prompts before you can even create your first invoice. And the second one, which is very important, is privacy concern. I am introducing a better way for streamlined, secure and instant invoice generation. Our model is built on the privacy-first architecture, which is based on local storage. Data is stored entirely on your device. We never see your bank detail or client record. No account, 100% client side. No account means zero tracking, zero cookies. Just a pure utility tool that work when you need. 100% client side, which means PDF generation and calculation happen locally on your browser for maximum security. Let's compare the features between the legacy tool and our tool. They required an account. We don't. They store your data on their server. We don't. They charge you for invoice generation. We guaranteed you an unlimited invoice generation without charge you a single penny. Legacy tool have complex to set your taxes across the different countries. We have simple toggle button, and the main important thing is that WhatsApp integration. Legacy tool have very rare WhatsApp integration in there. We have a native link to share your invoices directly to the WhatsApp number of the client without any tension. Here is the graph. You see the legacy tool and the SaaS tool and our instant invoice tool, which is based on the fact. Now I introduce you my instant invoice tool, and you directly type getinstantinvoice.com and you will see my tool. Here's the tool which I show you in the preview. Here's the generator. I upload an icon or the business logo. Now I type my business name, my Gmail address, my phone number and my address. Now I build to a client named John Dan, their email, their addresses, invoice number and date. Now add the items. For example, I add 5 medicines, ten grocery items and 1 protein powder. Which cost 1000, 3000. I also change the currency here. Now shipping or handling fees I fix to 0, GST 12% and a discount 10%. Now here you get the WhatsApp link and we open the WhatsApp and send to the customer directly to their WhatsApp. If I refresh, then my data is not changed, which ensure you your data is safe in my tool. We cannot see it. because it is stored in your local storage. Now here's the feature section, which is as professional as you see. Here's the FAQ section, the answers of all your doubts. For example, what is invoice generator, an instant invoice app is free or not, just like this. Now talk about section. Now come to the about section and you find more ways how the tool work. And if we scroll down, then it's my intro. If we again scroll down, then you find the link of my social media's account. Let's click on the YouTube channel. Here's the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, then comment below in the comment section. If I click on LinkedIn, then you come to my LinkedIn page and here I am. You directly talk to my LinkedIn account. If you have any query, the toggle button, I can change the color from night mode to normal mode. If you have any doubt, then here's the contact page and you doubt into my email directly also. If you want to see the code of my website, then simply go to the GitHub and you see.